Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for everyone here who has given me time to give a speech so I can stand here in front of you all. The Honorable, the leaders of states institution, the Honorable, the Minister of Indonesia, the Honorable, all the government and all the majors. Ladies and gentlemen, in December 2019, a mysterious phenomenon like illness was identified in Wuhan, China. On 11 March 2020, WHO declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Almost 2 years later after what has been one of the most challenging times in our history, it is relief to see a declining trend of COVID-19 in the world. The number of cases worldwide has dropped. Africa dropped by 17%, America 18%, Asian 14%. At the same time, we are also still seeing rise of cases in both Europe 8% and Oceania 9%. Nevertheless, I do hope that we will see light at the end of the tunnel soon. In Indonesia, after experiencing a high of cases in July, at one point, the positivity rate in Indonesia reached 31% in July. Now, we see a situation it's much better, and even the positivity rate yesterday is about 0.6%. Gradually and consistently, economic activities have started to resume. The economic activities resume in the United States, especially in New York City. Of course, we understand that we must remain very cautious and that health protocol must remain in place. And I would like to take this opportunity to convey some message and views. First, we now live in a new normal world, one that requires us to adjust our way of life, our work, and our priorities. For more than 20 months, the work of Indonesia Diplomasi has focused on the pandemic, including vaccine. Since the pandemic beginning, Indonesia Diplomasi has worked around the clock to secure access to vaccine to our people. Today, Indonesia has secured more than 270 doses of vaccine. Indonesia has inoculate more than 147 million doses of vaccine, the fourth largest in Asia after China, India, and Japan. Our diplomacy does not only work to secure access for the people of Indonesia, it also works to ensure equal access to vaccine for all countries. So, that is my second point about the equal access to vaccine for all countries. Indonesia has shown amazing leadership by both the Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Health. One important part of vaccine is that now that we have these 270 million doses of vaccine available, when we will talk about equal access and diplomacy, I would like to talk a bit about internal diplomacy for a change. Indonesia have an amazing job done by people ensure adequate supply of vaccine into the country more than 270 million. But the biggest challenge today, the Ministry of Health and government is having are making sure all the provinces and all the districts who's vaccinated. All the effort and all the leaders to bring the vaccine into the country. Indonesia can be safe until all the provinces and all the districts was vaccinated. All the local constituencies and all the provinces have at least vaccinated 70% of the population. So, that's my humble request. By the end of this year and next year, we'll be free of the pandemic. We hope so. I think with the pandemic and challenge, we are also seeing emerging opportunity for better partnership or cooperation, more collaboration among countries in a bilateral way. Again, these are positive things. I think we look forward to continue beyond this pandemic as well with that. Let me thank the organizer for this opportunity and have such an important topic for your local leaders and your some people already cancel. We can all do this. If we do this together, we will be out of this pandemic by next year. Thank you very much.